In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide or hide price label in TradingView. If your chart feels cluttered or you're preparing a clean screenshot, hiding price labels can help you focus on the candles and patterns without distractions. And when you're ready to bring those labels back, it only takes a second. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. First, right-click anywhere on your chart to open the context menu, then select Settings. If you prefer, the same settings window can also be opened using the gear icon on the chart, but right-clicking is the quickest route from anywhere on the canvas. Once the settings window is open, look along the top for the Canvas tab. This is where TradingView groups the visual appearance controls for your chart background and on-chart text elements. Inside the Canvas tab, find the Text section. You'll see a color swatch for text. This controls the color and, importantly, the opacity of text elements that appear directly on the chart canvas, including the price labels along the price scale. Click that swatch to open the color and opacity controls. Now, to hide the price labels, drag the opacity all the way down to 0%. As soon as you do, you'll notice the labels fade out. This is an instant, non-destructive change. You're not deleting anything, just making the text fully transparent so it's out of sight. Take a look at your chart. You should see that the price labels have disappeared from the graph, giving you a cleaner view. Your chart data, indicators, and drawings remain intact. This only changes how the text is rendered, so it's safe to use for presentations, screenshots, or focused analysis. When you want to unhide the price labels, go back to the same place. Right-click, open Settings, head to the Canvas tab, click the text color swatch, and raise the opacity back up. Setting it to 100% restores full visibility, and you can fine-tune it to any level you like if you prefer a softer look. If labels don't reappear as expected, double-check that you adjusted the text control under Canvas and not another text setting elsewhere. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you can toggle your price labels off for a distraction-free chart and bring them back whenever you need precise readings. If this was helpful, try it on one of your favorite charts to see how much cleaner your workspace can feel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.